Here we go. Welcome to No Influence, where the only influence is your influence. I'm here with you. Today, I'm trying to spend some time with you. Hopefully you trying to spend some time with me so we can go through these videos together. You feel what I'm saying? I'm a fake YouTube baller, but you know we're gonna do this for you. You know what I'm saying? The silver. Ooh. You see the hat? Come on, man. You want me to fly off? I could do that if you want me to. You mean? You already know. I put this hat on, bitch. I started flying through the. Man, you know how Mario do. This is Musab. This for the Musab joint. You feel me? All right. Like I said, man, we back into it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Let's get into it. Without further ado. Still wear these punk ass flies too. I ain't gonna hold you. They still around. Alright, let's go. Wait. Yo! Oh my God!
I have to get choked on you.
Oh, before I keep go further, y'all ever see lightning strike in front of you before? Like, I was a kid, I saw that one time. It wasn't like it hit the ground. It was probably about 40 feet away from me. I was waiting for the bus. I seen that joint hit the ground. It ain't really like make no noise, and it just was. And I was like, at least I can't remember it making no noise. I was so shook though. First I ducked down. I'm by the tree, waiting for school. And then I just ran back to the house. I'm like, man, I'm not dealing with that. My mother was like, what's up? I'm like, I just seen some lightning hit the ground. She left. She was like, all right, stay in the house. But to see something like this happen, whoo, people cribs be getting lit up. People be getting struck by lightning. That's the crazy thing. Oh. This one dude I know said it fries all the water in the tree first, and then, bro, I thought he was lying. Then some real shit. Evaporate all that shit. What? Raiden hit that motherfucker. Nah. Oh, the water? Chill. Wow. What is that, the volcano? God is trying to tell you something. God is trying to... Hell no, that's not the... Oh, but these joints, this the old shits from back in the days, what they call the, I forgot the Egyptian and all them other names. I forgot the name for it. But those were, the lightning was striking and probably conducting electricity and all that.
Oh, I missed
it. See? Nah. Somebody did wrong that day. The God that you know. You got control of all this. I felt sad. Shouts out to the people. Shouts out to the people that survived those things and that could live in those areas with. I can't live. I can't do that. Not where I'm at. We get snow. That's all. I'm cool with dealing with snow. I'm not dealing with earthquakes, tornadoes, floods, fires. Nah. There might be some fires close to us, somewhere up in Canada or something like that. And we get some smoke down or some every now and then we get a little gust of wind and a little tornado warning. Nah, I'm not dealing with that on the regular. No. Thank you. No, thank you.
Ken, are you out?
want to see too many movies for that.
Monster.
See? Tornado? No. This one hurt my butt. Wow.
What a monster. What a monster. What the? Wow.
Killing all these.
I don't even know what to say. So close to him.
I ain't really got no money.
Yep.
I need some more.
Okay, guys. Crossing the road right in front of us.
Power 5.
See? See, this the cap house. This the fake haunted. They know what they're doing, though. That's how I feel. Sun all shining in my face. Nah, see, that's what I'm talking about. If I gotta drive down the street with golf balls, hailstones hitting the joint, nah, y'all better than me. Y'all better than me. I'm staying in the house. I'm staying right up here. Oh, thank you. That's God way of stoning you in my head. Like, you know how people be getting stoned and, like, you know what I'm saying? And the Arab countries or the Muslim countries, like back in the day, imagine not the people stoning you, but you get stoned by God. Like, it's over with for you, bro. Like, son just standing out there, blah, 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 blah. Damn, you did something wrong, fam. Like, I mean, you better repent, make some tawbah. This is wicked. Nah, you get, imagine leaving the car wash and you gotta drive.
Here, listen to the glass.
Somebody called Safelite. I just got my windshield replaced, and now I gotta go get stoned. Ibrahim, get the stones. Oh, sun fell. They getting out of here. They felt that rocky water. I got to go. Ooh, imagine falling off. What if you would have fell in the water? Like, you jumped on a bike. He was a smart one. Oh, if you would have fell in the water, it was over with, bro. That's your last swim. See, you've been crushed by the boat. Nah. See, I can't do all that.
Is it a cross?
The different
Heck,
weather.
no, it's not a cross. What is that? Like a. Blah.
Damn snitch.
Let me see it.
Straight up and down.
Dude, it looks like a dude in a suit. It looks like Iron Man.
Iron Man, though.
What the heck? Jonathan, what in the world?
Probably the super.
That's one of them. See, that's what the lady was talking about. That's what the lady.
Might be the super people, Maldak.
That's what the lady was talking about in the last video. Some look like floating beings. I don't know what that is. He looked like somebody doing a kick with one arm and.
Hands.
I don't know nothing about no Maldakians.
Might be them. You'll know when you see, when you guys see them.
That is so cool! Oh my god! That's so cool! That is so cool! Yeah!
That's so cool. See, the power of God is omnipotent. It works on your ass, and I could be far, far away. I'm gonna have to be far, far away on this one.
Oh my god!
Nah. And it hit the water? Nah.
I
That's
just
just
want to ride in the middle of it.
You wanna ride in the middle of it, shorty.
god!
Alright.
That's so cool! That is crazy.
Exactly. You. It's time to get out of here.
No, we're not going close.
It's time to go.
Oh, he's right behind us.
That is where he died. Oh my god. It's about to touch down.
Look at the other one. Look at the other one.
Look at that one. Oh, Maddie, play it. Okay.
There's another one coming. This one
Two
is
of
about to
them.
touch down.
Nah, son.
We're
See?
literally getting out of here. This just formed right in front of us.
So crazy.
And now,
It's two of them. And y'all
oh yeah,
ready.
it's coming. It's
I
coming.
want to touch it. I just want to poke it.
I know this one's
Are you on Facebook Live?
And y'all still in the water, though.
I'm just filming it and posting it.
I mean, I ain't trying to criticize y'all, but
Mother
me,
Nature.
I want to put it in fast motion of it.
Yes,
Alright, that
please.
one is now
Here we go. Oh
touching
my
down.
gosh.
Drop mom off at the yacht club.
imagine when they had sailboats doing this back in the day. Done. When they had sailboats in the Christopher Columbus time, before the Christopher Columbus times, you know what I'm saying? With the Mansa Musa times and all that stuff. The old, you know what I'm saying? Dragon ships from China. Man, you seen the big swirly John got the sail? Man, Moana wasn't, they would have got sucked there. They would have got pulled back and in the swirl. That's wicked. Unless they had a gang of dudes. Make way, make way.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh.
See? These natural disasters like this make me want to stay in New York.
Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Wait, wait.
Road cars flying down. Why does it sound like they're saying the same thing? Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Wait, wait. Announcing clear the beach, go home,
That was wicked.
cover for shelter. I don't know what to do. Do I go home and grab my babies
Hell
and
yeah.
head for the hills? Even the aliens are trying to tell
out
us
of
to
there.
go home, prepare. See, everybody's out here worried and see, clearing it all out. Everybody needs to go home.
Aliens. What is it for?
Even the dog one.
What is it for? What is it? Tsunami in Cali? So get up out of there. I did see that movie. What is it? 2012 Catastrophe, something like that. The whole ground broke. Man, it's just a movie, but you know. Hey, go get that dog. You love him before he beat for Dorothy and them beat. You know what I mean? Be chilling up there with Dorothy. Toto. Nah. Look this shit right up. How the camera survive? They must have got that camera mounted great.
Everybody want a robot to this. Hey, man, I'm sick of this shit, man. Fuck all this. Man, y'all keep telling me to do shit. Man, I'm done with this shit, man. Go move this shit. I'll flip this shit over, man. Fuck these niggas over here doing.
Man.
Man. What that is? Oh, nah. Subhanallah. Nope. It's time to go. Wait, hold on. You had a shadow from the other limb? That was crazy. Where shadows came from? Nope. Nope. Assalamu alaikum. Peace. I'm out. Monkey head. Nah, I got to go. I got to go.
Is front and center in the scientific world. Is front and center in the scientific world. Front and center in the is front and center in the scientific world. No longer
jigsaw puzzle.
Extra dimensions is front and center in the scientific world. No longer just science fiction. I want to understand how it works in string theory, in fundamental physics, and then potentially in cosmology in large extra dimensions.
I used to visit the Japanese tea garden and to visit the carp swimming just beneath the lily pads in a two-dimensional pond. I used to spend hours looking at them. They would swim forward, backward, left and right. Their eyes were to the side, and they couldn't see me. I was in the third dimension. I was in hyperspace. They were totally unaware that there was a universe beyond their pond. And then I thought, well, what happens if I reach down and grab one of the fish, lift the fish up to the third dimension? What would he see? He would see beings breathing without water, a new law of biology. Beings moving without fins, a new law of physics. And then I would put the fish back into the pond, what kind of stories would he tell? Well, today, we physicists believe, we cannot prove it yet, but we are the fish. We spend all our life in 3 dimensions. We go forward, backward, left, right, up, down, thinking that anything beyond our pond, anything beyond our little puny universe is science fiction. We say, bah, humbug. We can't say that anymore because the concept of higher dimensions now is the biggest game in town. You see, in 3 dimensions, there's not enough room to put all...
Nah, that's real because, well, I believe it's real. And, like, it gotta be other, like, beings. Even, like in old hadiths and stuff like that, where, you know, like, all right, let me break it down. So, I believe we this 3D portion of us is just only a portion of us. You know what I'm saying? Like, it got to be more to it because, like he said, there's different laws and different, you know, rules pretty much to the physics. So even like when I think it was Abu Bakr who was getting down talked by the dude, you know, radiallahu anhu, when he was getting down talked by the dude and he was just chilling, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was smiling, you know. And then when Abu Bakr started talking back to him, you know, he ain't getting his lick back. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was he was mad. He's beefing with Abu Bakr on the low. Like, Abu Bakr was mad, like, he tripping. Why are you mad at me? And Rasulullah said, you know, when you wasn't saying nothing, the angels was combing your beard. When you started talking, they stopped combing your beard. So my thoughts is this. If they was combing your beard, you ain't feel none of it. They must have been combing your beard on a different dimension, you know, on a different level. Your spiritual plane of existence, they'd have been combing that beard, you know what I'm saying? Interacting with that portion of you, you know? So that's where my mind be going when I hear these other dimensions and stuff like that. Oh, did I mess it up? I don't think I messed it up. Okay, but all right. All right, and we're gonna start again. I'm back.
But when you go to this larger pond, this pond of hyperspace, then all the laws of physics just fit together like a jigsaw puzzle.
Extra dimensions is
في أحد؟
See?
بسم الله.
See, they just pop in and out. These jinns, they just pop in and out of our existence. They be boop here and come back out. We can't breathe in they jaw. Like,
بسم الله.
going into their plane, we
يا أخوان رب الكعبة أصوات مية طبيعية.
EMTs or whatever.
في أحد في المكان؟ بسم الله الذي لا يضر مع اسمه شيء.
Aki's going wild again. Why my brothers be running around trying to run down on spirits? What are you doing? عفونا أخي يا أخي
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
يا إخوان السلام.
بسم الله بسم الله بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. 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 بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Get up out of there, you tripping.
حسبي الله ونعم الوكيل فيكم. حسبي الله ونعم الوكيل فيكم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله الذي لا يضر مع اسمه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء. بسم الله. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم. بسم الله بسم الله بسم الله. الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم. بسم الله. يا أخوان أنا بضطر يا أخوان إني أمشي. بسم الله بسم الله. إيش الخبر هذا؟ بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Get up out of there. Tripping. Aki's going wild.
لا إله إلا الله. أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق. حصنت نفسك. لا إله إلا الله. لا إله إلا الله. أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق. استغفر الله ربي وأتوب إليك.
No.
إنسان يا جماعة.
See, that sihr, that magic, that witchcraft is in all the cultures and all that stuff. They tripping. You see that on the wall, they bugging. Like, they out here wilding. Listen, that's universal. You got the good and you got the evil. You know what I'm saying? That's what it comes down to. You want to be good and pure and not deal with this type of nonsense. Wallahi, this right here is something you want to deal with. If they only knew. But you know, I ain't here to push nothing on nobody anyway. So, you know, only influence is your influence. No influence over here. Y'all check, y'all just spend some time with me. You feel what I'm saying?
خير وأنا قادر.
To me, I mean, my good might be my good might be your bad, and your bad might be my good. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, your belief is your belief. What happened to bro?
يا جماعة ما تلاحظون ان هذه كلها تتحرك؟ كل هذه كلها. بسم الله. لا إله إلا الله. أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق.
Is this a clear version of the other video?
لا إله إلا الله. لا إله إلا الله. لا 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 لا, لا يا جماعة لا.
Yeah, no, لا لا لا
لا لا لا, لا.
Time to go.
يا جماعة أنا ماني قادر من ريحة الكلب والله العظيم أنتم أعزكم الله. خلاص. لا إله إلا الله. أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق. أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق.
Aki's going wild.
لا
Part
لا
3.
لا 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 لا. والله العظيم ما نقادر من الريح يا جماعة. استغفر الله ربي وأتوب. لا إله إلا الله. يا جماعة ما
Listen up, you need to get in your seats right now. Hey, you kids, step forward, please. Facing forward, thank you. That's what I like. Whoa. Whoa. Everybody hang on!
AI.
Is everybody okay?
AI do some dope shit. I'm not crazy over everything AI do. I'm not crazy over everything AI do. Like, this is... I'm one of those, like, that's whack to me. Like, let's keep it... I don't know. That's whack to me. Take the fun out of the fun, you know what I'm saying? Fun out of making the fun, I guess.
Everybody listen up, you need to get...
No. What if you came to the house and seen that on your couch? What you gonna do? Fam, what is that? Like a black shadow mermaid on a couch? I'm not doing that. You can have the house after that. I don't even want it. With the glowing eyes? Nah, I don't want it. Y'all keep it. Leave me alone. I'll go live in a cave.
سند ليش قايل ايش؟ سند بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
He looks He looks scared as fuck. Yo, bro looks scared straight.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله مين هو؟ اسمها سند. اسمها سند. سند كيف انت هيك سند؟ يا بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. جهتك بالله رجعوا. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. جهتك بالله بقول لك.
لا يتكلم. هذا الحجر. بسم الله. هذا الحجر. هذا الحجر خطير جدا. وانه يتعامل مع ملوك الجن. هذا الحجر. وهذا لا شيء من هذا الحجر. ولكن احضروا لي ما الخدع الذي
جيب البخاخ جيب. ارجع بسرعة. انتظر هي يقول لك انتظر.
الآن هذا المكبر وهذا صديقكم سند. نعم عليكم أن تفهموا وتعرفوا هذه الساحرة الحجر تشكلت على مكبر. هل فهمتم؟
هل فهمتم؟ طب رجعوا رجعوا. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
أي إثبات.
What just happened? What was that? What was the... He wiped his face? Wait, what happened? So he's seeing the stone. What? I missed that. I'm gonna have to go back and look at it when I'm watching this, but he looked scared, like he was... I don't know. That just got me. I don't know what it is. And what the fuck? What is this behind, bro?
مين انت؟ اسمع.
Nah. See, they done popped out of their realm of existence, came into our realm real quick. This man looking like a tiger burnt being somewhere in the back behind him. I don't know what it is, but he kind of, I don't know what this is. He came into the world looking like that. Came into our plane of existence. I wonder how our fingers look to a fish when you know what I'm saying, if they do see it. Get down and they're just like the dude was saying, they probably looking at that like, what in the hell? It's got a form, but that's crazy.
اسمع شو اسمك؟
Ask him what's his name. Look at him.
أخوان
Don't ask me my name, bro.
إنه أنا ما بعرف. ظهر وراي. طب ممكن تظهر كمان مرة؟ شو الصوت؟ في صوت تليفون يا اخوان.
I seen one of these joints. I'm gonna have to find that video where the dude saw himself behind him and yeah, nah, son.
باب سكر علي ولا شو فيه؟ لا الباب سكر. هذا بتحرك.
He's just gonna sit there in the rocking chair, just chilling. He's going wild. Part 4.
بس لهون. ما راح اقرب اكثر. الله اكبر.
He looking at that John. He looking at that. He said, bro said, what the, what is that? That's probably like his version of saying, yo. They still blowing up fireworks. That's probably his version of saying, yo. I don't know how to feel about this one. Is this one I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this one. That one looked like a mask, but that face is wild long. Like, that forehead is mad big. Like, where the head, so you see what I'm saying? Like, so the head, like, the head looked like this, the head, like the regular top, where it would be. But over there where, like, the top of the forehead is, like, where it got all that wrinkly shit going on, is like where the eyes would be on a regular human, if you ask me. You feel what I'm saying? But that shit right there look crazy.
انت متجوز يا ملهوز يا شلهوز؟
That shit blinking too.
انت متجوز؟
The proportion is just crazy to me. I don't know.
انت بني ادم طبيعي ساحر؟ انت جن؟ زي ما يعني انت ايش؟ شو انت؟
What are you?
ايش؟
I'm the sun.
انا من العالم الذي اعرفه. اي عالم؟ يعني العالم البشري؟ انت من العالم البشري؟ ممكن اجي اقرب لعندك؟
I'm human son of Adam. Are you a Jew?
ايه؟ اريد ان اقترب لعندك.
I want to get closer.
انت يعني انت هسه سؤال. الهوز؟ طلع عيونها. الله اكبر. طب اسمعي، انت بشر؟ انت بني ادمه؟ شكلك انت ساحرة بشرية، انا هيك اتوقع. خليني اروح عندها انا اشوف. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
My understanding of Arabic is little.
بسم الله الرحيم.
This might feel like it's cat because
وين رحت؟
on that side.
انا جيتها من هون عشان اشوف.
So that one look fake.
والله طب وين اللي كان هون اللي وعدني انه يعطيني الذهب؟ وينه؟
Can I show you a creepy video?
Ain't
This
no
video was so
bueno.
uncomfortable to watch because of how creepy it was. So thank you for tagging me in it. This video is viral right now. The video was taken in Nayarit, Mexico. It involves these kids being home alone at their grandparents' house. They're home alone because the parents went to El Oxxo to buy some candles because the lights went out. But then the kids start to hear some sounds. And you start to hear the kids getting scared. Then the boy who is recording points out that his great-grandpa died and that they keep his ashes here. They then start making their way outside and something terrifying happens in the end. It's in Spanish, but I translated it for you guys that don't speak Espanol, and here it is.
Mi abuelito, espérense, no sean chillones, no va a pasar nada. Y esas son las cenizas de mi bisabuelo, porque pues desgraciadamente él ya falleció. Y el baño está allá, mi hermano quiere hacer pipí, pero el baño está allá. Y mi abuela nos dijo que cuidáramos. Mi abuelo nos dijo que cuidáramos aquí su casa en lo que ellas iban. Pero espérense. Pero pues el problema es que aquí no sabemos. Y pues no tengan miedo. No pasa nada. Abuelito, ¿estás aquí?
Oh, no.
¿Estás aquí? Preséntate de nosotros. Somos tus nietos.
Yeah, nah.
Can I show you?
Time to get out of there.
And so we think she died here, obviously, because this is where they held the dances. And what was that noise? Did you hear? What?
Did you see it?
And so we
I don't know
think
what that was, but
she
that was
died
some
here,
real
obviously,
terror.
because this is where they held the
They got
dances.
up out of there.
And what was that noise?
Did you see it?
Did you hear? What?
Did you see it?
Something came out of the air. Oh.
We think
that's too many times. And
مش ناقص استخفافك يعني. يا عم
this cat. You can see whatever being pulled. Move cat, and they're gonna go underneath the bed.
جدع ما تعملهاش تاني بقى.
Oh, see, underneath the foot, underneath the bed. Pop. That's cat. It's cat.